Hey everybody, Erica Serwin here from Pink Bugger Designs. I'd like to show you my class to go for February 2022. Features the Flowering Rainboots bundle. This is such a great bundle. These stamps stamp so beautifully, and the colors of the class and the fun little garden images are really great for helping us transition from these cold, dreary months into those warmer spring months. As always, my class to go has four options. The first option is option 1. That includes the bundle. It also will include 2 bolts of ribbon, a pack of the polished dots, the PDF, as well as a video link. You'll notice that these use the new, they're called Butterfly and Flowers layering masks. 5 of my 6 projects use these masks, so you'll need these as well. These aren't included in the kit, but I'm giving you the option to add them on to your kit if you don't have them. And if you do that, I'm actually going to pay the shipping and the tax on them for you. But option 1 includes the dots, the ribbon, the bundle, 6 projects, full color PDF, and a video showing you how to use these masks. They're really cool. They have techniques that you can use, just all kinds of really cool things that you can do with them. So I've made a video to show you how to use them. Option 1 is $77. Now option 2 is for those of you that already have the bundle. You don't want me to send you the bundle, but you want the kit. Option 2 includes everything else, the video, the PDF, the 6 projects, the polished dots, the 2 bolts of ribbon, and that option is $39. Now, both of those kits ship first class. I've changed my shipping a little bit so that you can save a little bit of money. The postal service has gone up so high that I really wanted to figure something else out. So for $6, you can have these shipped to you. There's no class time to, where you have to show up online. Everything is included and emailed to you. You can do it at your convenience with that PDF and the video. Now, those are the kit options. Option 3 is the PDF only. If you don't want me to mail you anything, you want the tutorials, that is the PDF only option. And that does include the video. There's a link to the video on the very first page of the PDF. That option is $15 and it's an immediate download in my PDF store. The last option is for my downline, my Sweet Stampede downline. They get the class kit for only $22, including shipping. It's a perk of joining my team. All right, now the deadline for this class is February 18th. One other thing I wanted to mention, if you pick option 1, you also get to pick a celebration item for free. All right, so that's another perk of getting that option number 1. You get the ribbon for free and you get the celebration item for free. I can't list the registration link on social media or on my blog. You have to email me for that link. If you're on my email list, you will have that in your inbox already. Otherwise, shoot me an email and I will send you the registration link. Deadline is February 18th, and they will be in the mail no later than February 25th. All right, let me know if you'd like the link. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.